Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of vocabulary. We are going to see 5 new words, their meanings and sentences. If you want to find similar videos, go to the channel, see the playlist. You will find different vocabulary videos. In addition to this, you have maths of NIOS, English of NIOS, and computer science of NIOS senior secondary courses. Do go and check it out from the playlist. Let's begin. First word is barge, that is to move forcefully or roughly. We can't barge into a private garden. Word is impeccable. It is to be free from any fault or blame. To be clean and spotless. The sentence would be, the airport was new, impressive and impeccably clean. Another word is nestle. It is to settle or lie comfortably within or against something. The sentence would be, he nestled his head against his mother's shoulder. This word is pronounced as aggrandizement or aggrandizement. The meaning is an increase in power or importance, and the sentence would be like, he gives a lot of money to charity, but personal aggrandizement is his motive. That means, even though he spent money for the charity, his actual motive is, or his actual motive is to, he needs an importance in him. He wants to be an important person. The last word is tweak. It means to twist or pull something sharply. The sentence for this word would be, engineers tweak the car's operating systems during the race. Thank you for watching. Hope you understood the meaning of the words listed today. If you have got doubts, please do comment, and if you liked the video, please do comment and let me know how do you feel about this section of the channel. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to get notifications on time and share it with your friends so that they can also use the content.